Stop pip from failing on single package when installing with requirements.txt. I am installing packages from requirements.txt. The requirements.txt file reads: LXML is the only package failing to install, and this leads to everything failing. Expected results as pointed out by Larsks in the comments. However, after LXML fails, pip still runs through and downloads the rest of the packages. From what I understand, the pip install or requirements.txt command will fail if any of the packages listed in the requirements.txt fail to install. Is there any argument I can pass when running pip install or requirements.txt to tell it to install what it can and skip the packages that it cannot, or to exit as soon as it sees something fail?
Running each line with pip install may be a workaround. Note: a parameter is not available under macOS, so old cat is more portable.
This solution handles empty lines, whitespace lines, hash comment lines, whitespace then hash comment lines in your requirements text. Hat tip to this answer for the said magic.
For Windows users, you can use this logic. For every dependency in file requirements.txt, install them and ignore those start with hash.
For Windows, pip version equals 18. Pip version 18.
I fjor vant to sin more, 3 sekundsider subskriving.